Hi guys, I'm Crystal.
And I'm Jolie.
And we are going to do an unboxing for you today. We ordered some plants. Jolie doesn't know what they are, but we ordered some plants.
Ooh.
Plants. From a girl named Jade Summers. I believe that's her name. I think she also has an Etsy shop. So I will open this up and we will leave it in the description box below the information to her shop. So she was super, super kind and easy to work with, combined all of my shipping. So far, we've got it packaged here, priority
Whoa,
mail
what the
today.
heck? Wait.
Some filling. Okay. So we have here
So cute.
two. Oh, wow. Okay. So I bought two of these. Each one has two Raven ZZs. And I got these for, shoot, I can't remember, but I'll put it up on the screen how much I got these for her from. I don't know if she has any more. I think she does. But these look to be in super, super good condition. This one is still really young, so it's light. But you can tell that other one is super dark. Goofy Jolie. This one is a pretty tall, full size. And then we have this new one. Let me open this up and I will share with you what the root systems look like. Well, I'll just open one. Oh yes, this looks good. That is a good sized 4-inch pot with a super duper massive bulb. Those look like really, really healthy roots. So thank you, Jade.
That's a light bulb?
No, the bulb on the bottom. The plant comes out of a
That's
bulb.
a light bulb.
So this was really cool. I'm very excited. Thank you, Jade. Let me set those aside. Let's see what's next.
I had a sneak peek already.
Okay. This is my Prince of Orange. So I got this plant from her for $15, which I think is a really, really good deal because she's got a good amount of leaves. There's some spots on her leaves, but I'm not sure why. These kind of philodendrons, I have a Macaulay's Finale, also had these spots.
Oh.
And my green Congo also has these spots. And I don't know what it is. So hopefully you can see those spots and then tell me what it is. Because I don't know what that is. Okay, let's see what's next. What's next?
Nothing. That's it.
That's it.
That's it. Oh, that's cute. Look, it's an owl.
Oh, wow. Okay, this is a starfish Sansevieria. I got her for $5.
It's me. Wait, what?
I'm a little disappointed in the size that she is. So that's kind of a bummer.
I like it. It's cute. Good roots. A root, I should say. I like it. I like it.
Well, I can't wait till she grows. Definitely.
Stop it!
And hopefully she'll be happy. I can't wait till she grows. I'm watching her get bigger. She's not much of a starfish. I'm going to have to check and see if that's what I actually purchased. Because this, or maybe she didn't send me a picture. I don't know. But I'm happy with the other ones, and
I'm happy.
That's the last of it. So I've got those 4 plants. And I will leave the link in the description box below. I am a part of a Facebook group for rare plants, buying and selling under $100. So if you're interested, you can search for that. All right. Thanks everyone for joining us, and we will catch you next time.
Wait, hold on. I want to try something. Peace.